Hey, what's up, bro? So I'm going on a road trip. Had enough of Los Angeles. I need some good positive energy. So I decided to go on a road trip. First I'm gonna visit Las Vegas the first day, and then I want to see Hoover Dam. I'm gonna spend one night in Vegas. Then the second day I'm gonna visit the Hoover Dam. And after Vegas I'm going to Page, to a city called Page in Arizona, where I want to see another dam, the Glen Canyon Dam, and a bridge, which is very beautiful. And I also want to see Horseman Shoe, which is a very well-known touristic attraction here in the States. And what else? I also want to do a boat tour, Navajo boat tour in Page, and a couple of other things. And then I want to go towards the Grand Canyon South Rim, and I want to spend there 2 days. I want to do a hike called Boa Point, which is a very beautiful hike. It has like a gorgeous view over the Grand Canyon, and then back to LA. Man, and it's kind of hot. It's kind of hot here in Vegas. Man, this sphere costs like $2.3 billion to make, man. Kind of a hefty price, isn't it?
Open.
Sunset here in Venezia, man. We got to Venice, Italy. Look at this. Man, I want to jump in this water. Yo, second day of Vegas. Today I'm going towards Arizona. Came to see the bridge and Hoover Dam. It's scorching hot. Man, this is so interesting. It's gorgeous, bro. Gorgeous. Last time I filmed a video down there. Reminds me of Half-Life, the game. What's super interesting are those electrical towers. Go for a swim. This is so cool, bro. Look at this, man. This thing is big, huh? And that's it, brothers. I left Vegas going to Page, Arizona. Man, this country is so big, so large. Look at this. Plains, hills, deserts. Interesting landscape. So huge.